Dash cams have blind spots that can miss important evidence out of view. Only the Waylens Secure360 automotive security camera has a true 360-degree lens that captures every angle to show the full story. View in split screen mode to show an interior and exterior 180-degree view so you can see everything happening at once. Or view in full screen with Secure360's immersive mode, which lets you control the full 360-degree field of view by swiping the screen in the mobile app. Whether you need to capture what's happening inside or outside your vehicle, the Secure360 captures the truth all the time, even when parked. Trouble doesn't have blind spots. Neither should your car's security solution.